What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best wireless DSLR camera in 2022. There's a lot of choice for DSLR camera. If you're in the market for the best digital SLR camera, then you want excellent image quality, and a good selection of advanced features, such as continuous shooting mode, video capture, excellent autofocus, and built-in image stabilization. While DSLRs can represent a serious investment, just for the camera body alone, they tend to be incredibly durable. You'll also find cameras suitable for professional photographers and entry-level models for beginners. One of the most important things to consider is which accessories, if any, you want to use. If you're new to photography, you might consider a camera that comes with an accessory bundle. Otherwise, you'll have to confirm that any accessory you want is compatible with the specific brand and model of DSLR that you're planning to buy. This is especially true of lenses, as most DSLRs are now designed to support interchangeable lenses, but with a caveat. Additionally, consider the type of DSLR you want and the image sensor size, which will impact the kind of photos you can take. Keep reading our best DSLR camera guide to learn more, and if you're still not sure if a DSLR is right for you, check out our best digital camera guide. TopHomeGuide.com. Search Top Home Guide before choose your product. Now let's get started. Number 1. Canon Eos Rebel T7 DSLR Camera. The Canon Eos Rebel T7 camera has a 24.1 megapixel sensor that delivers crystal clear image quality. Since it comes with built-in Wi-Fi and NFC, sharing media files is also very easy. The camera's optical viewfinder allows for up to 95% viewing coverage, and with support for remote shooting, owners will also be able to take pictures through the Camera Connect app on their smartphones. The camera is also pretty easy to use and can capture full HD video at 30 frames per second. However, some might not be satisfied with its lack of support for 4K video. The camera also takes pretty good pictures even in low light, and comes with image stabilization to reduce blurriness when taking photos on the move. It has a 9-point autofocus system that works great in high contrast scenes, and a battery life long enough to sustain 600 shots per charge when using the viewfinder. Those who opt to use its live view might have to be content with only 260 shots before the battery runs out. Specification and features. Brand: Canon. Model name: Eos Rebel T7 18 to 55mm f/3.5 to 5.6 2 Form factor: DSLR. Effective still resolution: 24.1 MP. Special feature: image stabilization. Color: black. Connectivity technology: USB, HDMI, NFC. Screen size: 3 inches. Photo sensor size: APS-H. Item weight: 1.04 pounds. Reasons to buy. Excellent options for media sharing. Easy to use. Decent picture quality in low light. Reasons to avoid. No support for 4K video. In our opinion, it is a full HD camera that is very easy to use, and allows users to share their pictures through Wi-Fi and NFC technology. It also has a decent battery life. This may make it a great Canon DSLR camera. Number 2. Nikon D50-300 24.2 MP CMOS. The Nikon D50-300 is a 24.2 megapixel full HD camera, whose standout feature is the 3.2-inch swiveling display that makes it perfect for self shots. It has Wi-Fi connectivity for easy file sharing, and features a built-in GPS for automatic geotagging. Its focus is also pretty impressive since it comes with a 39-point high-density autofocus system that quickly locks into the subject. Touted as a fine Nikon digital camera, and a favorite for the advanced beginner, the D50-300 also comes with a built-in stereo microphone for decent audio, and a battery that'll have it going for up to 500 shots. Still, some have complained that its live view autofocus feature is very slow to use. With that said, you might want to compare cameras including the Leica Q-TOP116 digital camera versus Fujifilm X100F, and see if these might be better for you. As you'll find on most top-rated 3D cameras, the image quality on the D50-300 is noticeably better than that of its predecessor, and with a startup to shooting time of only 0.3 seconds, the camera is perfect for capturing spontaneous moments. Handling it is also quite comfortable thanks to the amount of room around the grip, and with a continuous shooting speed of 5 frames per second, its speed is pretty decent for both personal and professional use. Specification and features. Brand, Nikon. Model name, Nikon D5300. Form factor, compact. Effective still resolution, 24.2 MP. Optical zoom, 1x. Color, black. Connectivity technology, USB, HDMI. Screen size, 3.2 inches. Photo sensor size, APS-C. Flash memory type, SD/SDHC/SDXC. Reasons to buy. Impressive autofocus system. Features a built-in mic for stereo sound. Decent battery life. Reasons to avoid. Live view autofocus is pretty slow, in our opinion. It takes a very short period to get ready for a shot, and has a decent 500 shot battery life. It also comes with an onboard mic for stereo sound. Number 3. Panasonic Lumix Fc 300. The Lumix Fc 300 from Panasonic features a decent 12.1 megapixel sensor for good image quality, and support for 4K video. Its highlight feature is its 24x super zoom lens, which is designed in such a way that owners won't even have to shoot in full sun, or with high ISO settings for good pictures. Also, thanks to Panasonic's depth from defocus technology, it can accurately lock into a subject in motion at a very high speed. However, it does not have a headphone jack. The FC300 also boasts an impressive continuous shooting speed of up to 12 pictures per second, and since it also comes with a special 4K photo mode, owners will be able to enjoy the clarity that is brought about by added extras such as HDR for good color balancing. Its handheld night option is also great for minimizing both noise and blur, and on its rear, the camera has a 3-inch touchscreen that is also very user-friendly. Specification and features. Brand, Panasonic. Model name, Panasonic Lumix Fc 300. Form factor, SLR-like compact. Effective still resolution, 12.1. Special feature, image stabilization. Optical zoom, 24x. Color, black. Connectivity technology, USB, HDMI. Screen size, 3 inches. Photo sensor size, 0.3 inch. Reasons to buy. Very quick autofocus system. Supports 4K video capture. Varied settings for deep level of adjustments. Reasons to avoid. No headphone jack. In our opinion, it has a very impressive zoom capability, as well as a 3-inch touchscreen that is very easy to navigate. Image quality is also pretty good, and its array of settings allows for very intricate adjustments. Number 4. Canon Eos 5D Mark IV. The Canon Eos 5D Mark IV is a premium DSLR that boasts a 30.4 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor for vivid picture quality, and comes with support for 4K motion video at 30 frames per second. The camera's 7 frames per second continuous shooting speed are nothing but superb, and its autofocus system does not struggle even in low light. It's got a large 3.2-inch display on its back for live view, and since this is a touchscreen, using it feels a lot more intuitive. However, it does not have a built-in flash. The 5D also comes with microphone and headphone ports and support for both Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity for convenient file sharing. It's got a built-in GPS for geotagging, and a customizable button that can be configured according to user preference for added convenience. Its viewfinder is also large and bright, and since its rear LCD screen has a very high resolution, images are sharp and concise. Specification and features. Brand, Canon. Model name, 5D. Form factor, DSLR. Effective still resolution, 30.4 MP. Special feature, travel charger. Optical zoom, 1x. Color, black. Connectivity technology, HDMI. Screen size, 3.2 inches. Photo sensor size. Full frame, 35mm. Reasons to buy. Very high image quality. Has a touchscreen rear LCD. Supports 4K video capture. Reasons to avoid. No built-in flash. In our opinion, it is excellent for professionals thanks to its high megapixel count and advanced autofocus features. It supports 4K video and supports both Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity for easy file sharing. Number 5. Pentax K10D 10.2MP DSLR. The Pentax K10D is a 10.2MP digital SLR camera, with a 2.5-inch LCD display for live view, and features such as shake and dust reduction for taking good shots while on the move. The camera's continuous mode is capable of up to 3 frames per second, and since it is both scratch resistant and splash resistant, it'll be an excellent alternative for owners who want to take pictures and videos of their adventures outdoors, without having to worry about whether or not the camera will remain in good condition. Unfortunately, previous users have reported difficulty when autofocusing in dim lighting conditions. Although it was released in 2006, the K10D still has what it takes to deliver excellent image quality, while also being pretty easy to handle. It also comes with a moving sensor image stabilization system for shots in motion and a dedicated RAW button for users who would want to capture more detail in their photography. Specification and features. Brand, Pentax. Model name, Pentax K10D. Form factor, SLR. Effective still resolution, 10.2MP. Optical zoom, 3x. Color, black. Connectivity technology, USB. Screen size, 2.5 inches. Photo sensor size, APS-C. Shooting modes, Program A, Aperture Priority A. Reasons to buy. Very sturdy construction. Dust, scratch and splash resistant. Has a dedicated RAW button for reduced image processing. Reasons to avoid. Difficulty when autofocusing in dim light conditions. In our opinion, it is dust, scratch, and splash resistant, making it ideal for outdoor photography. It also has a solid construction, and is also easy to handle. You wanted the best. You got it. Thanks for watching. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time. See you guys later.